Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the cyclic loading over a composite beam column joint. This is the steel beam, steel column, and here it is the ultra performance concrete in the column, and here we have the welded stiffener around the column. See here, this is the stiffener. We use two methods. In the first method, we use isotropic plasticity plus damage criterion to observe the failure zone, the damage zone, and in the second model we use the combined hardening or combined plasticity to consider the cyclic loading. So let me click in here. This is the total deformation and buckling. You can see that here, and see here, this is the critical zone for us. Here is failed under this cyclic loading. See that here the damage begin to, you can see the failure happen here, the separation, also the column failed, and also the beam. See here we use weld joint or perfect joint here between the column and beam, and the stiffener with the column and beam, and you can see here the damage. And we can check the ductile damage for it. See, this is the ductile damage. 100% reaches here, and it means it is failed completely. Okay, let me now remove the column, remove a steel column to check the tension damage of the ultra high performance concrete. See, here the tension happen, failure happen at the joint area. Okay, this is the last, and you can see the deformation here of the steel beam. Okay, you can request any other result like comparison, like a stiffness degradation, plastic strain here, and the buckling here. In the second model, without damage and instead that combined plasticity, you can see also the local buckling happen here. And let me check the joint. Here the loading. In the damage model, failure happened at the welded area here and here, and you can see also in the combined model, see here the deformation is too much, and if we use damage criterion, here will be removed, and that's okay. And the maximum force capacity for both model is the same. See, the separation happening, it means the failure, it is too much, this separation. Also we can check again damage, plastic strain, or anything else. Again, critical here area is here and here. Okay, so if you need to model a steel column beam joint with a steel stiffener and ultra performance concrete as a core of the column, you can come to our website www.abaqusfem.com. here. Find the English tutorial. This is the English tutorial. You can search the title also here. Then click on the title. Here you will have a title. Then the part and geometry, assembly of the parts, material method, step, load, interaction, mesh, and then the result as figures. You can see them. So the cost for the CAE INP English video and reference for the material is 30 euros. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to tell you about the purchasing process and receiving the tutorial. Also here on our website we have a full package. A full package contains more than 400 tutorials in Abaqus. about all things. For instance, these are the main titles here, and also there are many subtitles in the package that we didn't mention it here because of the numerous methodology and the simulation way. So here is the important titles like the explosion, impact welding, biomechanics, forming, cracks, soil, CFD, FSI, thermal structure analysis, pure thermal analysis, cyclic loading, masonry, discrete element method, SPHDEM, pull-out test, composite material, any composite, solid and shell, concrete material, any concrete type, steel structure, seismic loading, electromagnetic, everything inside our package. More than 400 tutorials. Each file contains CAMP English video file and reference paper, and the cost for that is so affordable. You can't find any package like this in the web with this price. Contact me to this email to give you this exceptional price and this exceptional package. Thank you for your attention.